In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive shortcut on your desktop. This is a handy way to access your files quickly without having to open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive every single time. We'll walk through this process step by step, making it easy for anyone to follow along. First, let's ensure you have Google Chrome installed on your computer, as we'll be using it to create the desktop shortcut. Chrome is recommended because of its seamless integration with Google Drive, but if you don't have it yet, you can easily download and install it from the Google website. Once you've got Chrome up and running, head over to the Google Drive website by typing drive.google.com into the address bar and logging in with your Google account credentials. Now that you're in Google Drive, you should see all your files and folders displayed. Navigate to the folder you want to create a shortcut for. This could be your main drive, a shared folder, or a specific file. Once you've identified the right folder or file, look at the address bar where you can see the URL. This is what you'll be using to create your shortcut. Next, click on the three vertical dots, also known as the More icon, located in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. From the drop-down menu, select More Tools, and then click on Create Shortcut. A dialog box will appear prompting you to name your new shortcut, and you'll notice that Open as Window is checked by default. This is great because it will ensure that when you open the shortcut, it launches in a standalone window instead of just a new tab in Chrome. Give your shortcut a name that you'll recognize easily. You might want to call it Google Drive or simply the name of the folder you're creating the shortcut for. Then, go ahead and click Create. Now, if you head to your desktop, you'll see the new shortcut created. It often uses the Google Drive icon for easy identification. And that's it. Now, whenever you need to access your Google Drive or a specific folder within it, all you need to do is double-click that newly created shortcut on your desktop, and it will take you directly to it, saving you a few clicks and some time in your day-to-day tasks. This tip is particularly helpful for those who frequently access files throughout their day, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Remember, should you ever want to remove the shortcut, you can just right-click it and select Delete. It's as simple as that. That's all there is to it. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has made accessing your Google Drive files a little easier. If you have any other tech tips you'd like to learn about, let us know in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.